In this video, I'm going to show you how I quickly grab charts from premium content on Zero Hedge and break them down using AI tools like ChatGPT or Grok. First, I head over to Zero Hedge and find the article I want to access, usually a premium one with charts I'm after. Next, I use the archive tool. I just insert archive.is / right after www. And before the domain name. Hit enter, then choose archive this URL. The article might already be archived and there'll be a link to it. Otherwise, you have to wait for it to be processed. It might take a few minutes, so I just do something else while I wait. Once it's done, I scroll through the archived article and I look for the chart I want. When I find it, I use the Scrot utility to take a screen selection. Then I just paste the selection into ChatGPT or Grok and ask for a breakdown, whether it's summary, trend analysis, or specific data points I'm interested in. And that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and efficient for content clipping and analysis. Thanks for watching.